Hi, just give me 1 minute of your time to tell you why us. Why and how we save you thousands of dollars per year. And how we are the best conferencing provider on the planet. And it all centers around one unique difference with our company, which is we own every aspect of what we do, which means it saves you thousands of dollars and the reliability is much better. Here we are in the back of our data center, and the first thing that we own is the fiber optic capacity, the bandwidth itself. When we own the bandwidth, we can put the savings back onto you. All other conferencing providers do not own their bandwidth. Now, in addition to the bandwidth, that's unique aspect one, is because we own every line of code of our software as well, we can provide you with the best support in the industry as well. So we own our bandwidth, but some other things I want to show you as well is we actually own the whole infrastructure of our company. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to just take you into our server room to show you how we do such amazing conferences. So over here is the heart and soul of how we run our company. Because I've shown you we own the fiber, we also own all these servers, and these servers are what run the conferencing aspect of what we do in our business. So rather than staying in this loud room, just come on by my office and I'll explain to you a little bit more of why we are the best in the industry and why you want to work with our organization. So now we've shown you that we own every aspect of our infrastructure, but not only that, we also own every line of code of the product gvoconference.com. Now what does that mean to you? Well, it means the best support in the industry today. And because we own the infrastructure, the money that we save by owning that, we pass on to you. You see, a lot of other conferencing providers out there have to co-locate their servers at another data center. And that data center is entitled to a profit, which means one level of profit is lost. Because they have to spend more money on their bandwidth and they have to spend money by putting servers into a data center, they have to put that extra cost onto you. Because we own our fiber optics and we get bandwidth at wholesale cost, we put that savings onto you. The other aspect that is so unique is that we own every line of code of our software. A lot of other providers on the internet today don't own it, which means what? It means they can't bring to market features like we can, and they can't support their software like we can. Let's take that same example. You are using a conferencing provider that has their servers at another data center, and one of those servers fails. You've got a problem with your conference, right? Well, you would contact the conferencing provider, the person that owns the software. Then they would be at the liberty of having to contact the data center, which means very poor response times. Because we own the infrastructure and because we own every line of code of our software, we have an emergency pager that is dealt with by us. If ever there's an issue with your conference room, you can page us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we will guarantee to be in touch with you within 5 minutes. That is why nobody can compete with us on price, nobody can compete with us on reliability, and nobody can bring to market features like we can because we own the software. So I hope this explains why you'd like to do business with us, because we'd sure love to do business with you.